guys, so today we are going to make a paper fan. All you need today is a square paper and 2 popsicle sticks, a tiny rubber band, and some glue. Today, so we are going to start with doing a fan fold on our paper. First one, just like this, turn the whole thing around, and just like this, turn the whole thing around, and just like this. And I already did one just over here. So the next I have to do is to get my popsicle sticks, and then I have to glue one end over here and glue the other one over here. And then before you glue them over here, make sure they are exactly proper, and then you can take them out and glue them. And then in the center bottom over here, you need to put some glue right here, and then you need to tie it with a rubber band. And then I've already got one done right over here, and then all I need to do is to press it a little bit. Okay, I think it's ready. Now I just need to take the rubber band out, and then this is what my fan will look like at the end. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you for the next one. Bye.